Stop using var. Yes, you heard me right. If you are declaring your variables with var, you are outdated. In this video, I'm going to show you why let and const are the modern way to declare variables, how they solve big problems in JavaScript, and how to use them like a good programmer. So let's get started. Stay with me, bitch. Yeah, you know that I'm no man to be capping like a snitch. No thoughts, no stamps, new hoes, 10 toes, new guac on the bands, new wig, new chips, new kicks. Alright, let's go back in time. Before ES6, JavaScript only had var to declare variables, but var had some big problems. Let me show you one. Here I just tried to print name before declaring it, and JavaScript didn't throw a clear error. Instead, it gave us undefined. Why? Because of something called hoisting. And what is hoisting? In hoisting, JavaScript moves var declarations to the top before execution, but not the assignments. This causes confusing bugs, and that's where let and const come to the rescue. Let's replace var with let and let's see what's gonna happen. See the difference. There is a reference error. It's saying cannot access name before initialization. With let, JavaScript stops from accessing name before declaring it. No more unexpected undefined errors. But wait, there's more. Let is also block scoped. What does that mean? Let's check this example. Unlike var, which ignores block scope, let respects it. The edge inside the block is totally different from the edge outside the block. This prevents accidental overrides. Cool, right? Now let's talk about const. It's even stricter than let. Let's run this example. Const means constant. Once you assign a value, you cannot change it later. If you change the value, the JavaScript will throw an error. You can see the error here, assignment to constant variables, type error. So when should you use const? If the value should never change, like API keys, configuration settings, or fixed values, always use const. Alright, let's put let and const into action. Imagine we are building a simple shopping cart system. Let me clear this first. We'll use const for the cart itself, and let for the total price since the price can change. You can see here I just created a constant array for the car products where I added two elements, a laptop and a phone as an array elements. After that I just created a total price variable to store the total price of the products. Now, one thing you should keep in your mind, we cannot change or reassign constant array elements, but we can add a new element to the constant array by using dot push method. So changing or reassigning a whole constant array is totally different from adding a new element to an array. Now here, after adding a new product to our cart, I just add up the headphones price to the total price. Now let's print cart products and the total price. Let's run the example. You can see here, first we created two elements, a laptop, a phone, but we just added a headphone later. Now here we can see three products, total three products, a laptop, a phone and a headphones. And we can see the total price of the products. Now that you know, we can add a new product to our constant array, but we cannot reassign the whole constant array. Alright, here's what we learned today. The use of let, why we need a variable to change. The use of const, when and why should we use const, and when the value should remain constant. Did this make let and const crystal clear for you? Let me know in the comment section. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more ES6 features. Alright, keep coding, stay awesome. I'll see you in the next video.